The lambda function in Python has a simpler structure than def function. It is used mainly for simple inline statements and structures that are written in one line, such as the ternary if statement and inline for loop. Let's see how to write a function in example 1. So we have the same function we saw in the last lesson, f of x equals 1 over x. So we can write it, let's say f, without arguments. We don't put the arguments in front of the name of the function. Instead, we use the equal sign, then the keyword lambda, then the arguments, but without parentheses. So we have argument x, and then the function body 1 over x. That's it. Now we can try. We can say y equals f of 2, and it works. Lambda functions can also take multiple arguments, like df function. So in example 2, we can write the equation or the formula in this way. So let's try v 1, 2, 5. We can check with known values of Pythagoras theory. We can say now let's see if we can use the square root function instead of raising to power half. So what if we say square root, and we repeat the same idea. As you see here, the name square root is not defined. Why? Because it's a function in the module math. So that means we have to import the module, and then we use its functions to define our functions. Now we can solve this problem of the square root specifically in this way. We can say square root, and we define our lambda function of square root. Let's use power here and 0.5. Syntax error. Okay, now correct. Now let's try again the same function, and it worked now. Now example 3 is similar to the example 4 in def function, but the difference is this. We have only two domains. We're going to use the ternary if condition. Let's test it. Say print f, and we say 4, save and run, and exactly as you see, the result is correct. We use negative sign and run the code. It will raise it to the power 2. Finally, we have a summation problem. In example 4, it is the sum of multiplication of corresponding elements of two arrays, A and B. So it could be solved simply by using the inline for loop. Let's test with simple integers. So This is the result, and it works, and we can check the values. So this is how easy the lambda function is and how it could be used.